Good afternoon, everyone. It is May 24th, week 6 for Kyushu Institute of Technology's English 7D, Wednesday afternoon. It is now 2:40. So let's take a look at what we have to do this week. As week 6, we're only 2 more weeks until your midterm test. Your midterm test is on June 8th. Okay. Now, the midterm test for this class, because this is a speaking class, is speaking. All of it is speaking. So there's not going to be a Moodle test. There's not going to be a written test. I want you to be able to speak. And that speaking, the content for that speaking test is what we're going to practice from today and next week. Don't worry, most of you are ready for the test. You just have to be able to get used to my system. But I wanted to tell you that your test is coming in 2 weeks. Please make sure that you're able to come. I'll talk more about this next week, but your test is coming, okay, on June 7th. That is class number 8. So we still have 2 weeks until then, and let's get ready to do that by working hard today. Okay, in class 6, I believe we have some stuff to do for, I want to do some shadow talking today. Last week we did some Quizlet, and we'll do some shadow talking. And the shadow talking I want to do today is called elephant poaching. And elephant poaching, in a second, we're going to be coming here to this article on your phone. So if you haven't yet accessed this on your computer or on your phone, we're going to be going here. But that'll be a little bit later. First of all, let's finish up what's on the Moodle. And I want to compare that as well, too, with the textbook that you have. And the reason why, I want to explain one of the reasons why, again, maybe, why I don't use the textbook very much. So I'll explain that. This is the Quizlet for units 5 and 6 of the textbook. And this 5 and 6, this is something that will come out in the final test. And not the midterm test, but the final test. So this Quizlet material, this is something you still need to study. Also, I haven't made up my mind on this. You know what? This walking video right here, where I'm talking about the walking video, let's postpone this. So I'll explain this later in Japanese. I thought about this and I still haven't made up my mind, and I forgot to turn this off. This walking video, we're not going to do this week. We're going to do this after the midterm test, okay? So don't worry about this. This week, your only assignment will be this reflection. So I want to talk about your fluency. What do you think you can do to improve your fluency? And I want you to type that in and answer that before tonight, okay? So there were going to be 2 assignments, but this walking video, I reminded myself just now, this is something that I wanted you to do after the test, okay? If you have any questions, for example, you don't understand what I just said in English, that's okay. You can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, that email address right there. Otherwise, you can come talk to me after class. Let's have a good class today, everyone.